What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So there's been a lot of pre-sales that I've talked about on this channel, and I'll tell you the reason why I've talked about this pre-sales. The reason why I talk about pre-sales now as opposed to before is because pre-sales are are honestly where you can hit the beginning stages of things. Does this mean that 100% you will see something go from 0 to 100 real quick? No, it doesn't mean that. It means that you could potentially see a large rise in something depending on the popularity within it. You can also see a quick fall right from the start, but it's all about what you see maybe a little bit more in the longer term, because certain pre-sales will act certain ways, and you want to make sure that you are a part of it in the beginning stages, right? If you could have told yourself, hey, I could be a part of Pepe in the beginning stages of things, or I could be a part of Shiba Inu in the beginning stage, right? And I know that those are coins that kind of came out of nowhere and didn't really have a pre-sale in any way. But the point is, there's some that have had pre-sales that have had hype in the beginning stages and have turned to a larger amount. One instance would be MAGA Trump, right? I talked about MAGA Trump when it was at that stage, and it did end up skyrocketing to a whole nother level and being worth $600 million at one point. I believe it might have even been 700 million. So the point is that you could see some of these take off depending on what they are, the hype that they bring, the people that are buying into it, the popularity overall. So this is something that gets me very excited. In this video, I want to talk about a pre-sale as well. I want to talk about Sealana. It's more of just like a play on words in a way, but we're going to talk about all of what they have to offer on their website. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to help, or if you want to check out the links for Sealana down there, I will provide all of those at the top of the description. Now, one more kind of blanket statement here. Know that I'm not looking for you guys to just take what I'm saying and just buy outright. I love when you guys come to me and go, hey, I did my research on this play, and the reason why I invested into it was because of this, this, and this, and I made money off of it, right? Or if you go, I invested a small amount of money because I don't want to take a larger risk, and then I made a decent amount of money. I wish I would have invested more. Like, I always like those type of explanations over, hey, I bought what you said to buy. Not telling you to buy anything. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't have any certifications for or to be that. I may have accounting degrees and finance degrees and stuff like that, but it's all about you guys learning how to trade. That's what it's all about. So just wanted to put that out there, disclaimer out there. But let's talk about Sealana in this video, which currently stands at a 5 days, 5 days, 7 hours, 27 minutes, and 15, 14, 13 seconds until the pre-sale ends. This is the last chance to buy this pre-sale. You're going to see that right now, they've raised over $5 million, over $5 million that has been raised. And currently the price, with all the increases that they have had, the price is at a 2.2 cent level per seal. You can buy with ETH, you can buy with USDT, you can buy with a card, you can connect your wallet, you can buy with ETH. I just said that. And you can do as, or you can utilize many different ways to purchase this pre-sale if you wanted to. So what is it about? Meet Sealana, a chubby seal who's taken a deep dive into the Solana sea, whaled at his PC and growing by the day. Sealana is so absorbed in the degen market that he's abandoned the gorgeous figure of his youth for a trader's diet of chips and tinned tuna. His obsession with finding the next big Solana meme coin keeps his flippers busy, and his living room a big fat mess. I can understand. How to buy Sealana. Go through the widget, connect your wallet, a dedicated wallet for the widget. You can buy through a card, buy through payments. If you wanted to, I just explained exactly how to buy it up there. But it's very simple. Nothing more to this rather than what it stands for, what Sealana stands for. If you look at the Twitter account, it currently stands at 11,600 followers at the moment. So they're definitely gaining a little bit of popularity as you go along. If you want to reach out to the team or talk to the team and see what they're all about and what they're planning to do and all that, it is about the meme here and different memes that they have. Seal Pro Skater 3, right? So they have different memes that make, I guess, people look at it and go, all right, yeah, I can get behind that. It's pretty funny, right? So anyways, that's pretty much it. It's as simple as can be. If you find that this has any type of value, not necessarily by use, but just by being a part of something that's bigger, you can be a part of that. So let me give you my opinion on it, right? My opinion, and this is just my opinion is that this is the definition of the unknown makes things interesting because it doesn't give you much information on everything that they plan to do, right? It just gives you what Sealana is, why it came to be, right? And more about the pre-sale and how much they've raised. And then also continuing with those memes. This kind of lives into or continues into the Shiba Inu and Pepe and Dogecoin and all of those mindsets to where it's like it's maybe somebody's not, you don't know who the founder is or anything like that, and you see that it just gains hype and gains attention, and it's not about what they're doing, it's more about the meme behind it. And if you can continue to create memes, you continue to create popularity, and that's what I'm seeing within Sealana. So does this mean this is going to be the most popular thing that's out there? No, but it's definitely taking that route of being of setting itself up as something that's super popular just by seeing all of these memes that are in place, seeing all of these different tweets that are in place and conversations about what this is. It's not about, hey, you can purchase with this over here, hey, you can utilize this over there. It's about the fact that it has that popularity, the fact that the memes are funny. So I want to know what you guys think. Do you think this is going to skyrocket, or do you think it's going to maybe fall a little bit, or do you think it's going to consolidate for a while and then push up? What is your opinion on what the price will do for Sealana? And also, check out any of the links down below. I know you don't get a crazy amount of information, but check out the links below and see if you like it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.